Imagine waking up tomorrow and everything around you is just a little bit smarter. Your phone already knows what you want to say before you type it. Your car drives itself through traffic. Your doctor diagnoses diseases faster than ever before. But here's the real question. Are we controlling AI, or is AI slowly shaping us? Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It's not coming. It's already here, living in your pocket, your home, your decisions. And today, whether you realize it or not, AI is quietly rewriting the story of your daily life. Let's start with something simple. Your morning. When you wake up, what's the first thing you do? You check your phone. That good morning notification, AI decided the best time to send it. Your social media feed, AI selected every post you see. Even your emails, spam filters, suggested replies, AI is working behind the scenes. And when you open maps to go somewhere, AI doesn't just show directions, it predicts traffic, suggests faster routes, and even learns your habits. AI isn't just a tool anymore. It's becoming your silent assistant. Now, look around your home. Smart TVs recommend what you should watch next. Streaming platforms know your taste better than your friends. Voice assistants respond to your commands instantly. Lights, fans, even security systems, all controlled by AI. But here's something deeper. AI is learning your behavior. It knows when you sleep. It knows what you like. It knows how you feel, based on what you watch and search. Your home is no longer just a place. It's becoming an intelligent environment. Now let's talk about work. AI is transforming industries faster than any revolution in history. In offices, AI writes emails, creates presentations, analyzes data. In businesses, it predicts customer behavior, automates marketing, and increases profits. In factories, robots powered by AI are working faster and more accurately than humans. But this brings a tough reality. Some jobs are disappearing. At the same time, new opportunities are being created. The real question is not, will AI take your job? The real question is, are you ready to work with AI now? Imagine this. A machine detects cancer earlier than any doctor. AI systems analyze thousands of medical records in seconds. Doctors now use AI to diagnose diseases faster, suggest treatments, reduce human error. Even mental health apps use AI to talk to people and support them emotionally. AI is not replacing doctors, it's making them more powerful. And that means saving more lives. Education is also changing. Students no longer rely only on books. AI tutors can explain any topic anytime. Learning is becoming personalized, faster, more interactive. But there's a danger too. If students depend too much on AI, they may stop thinking critically. So the goal is not to replace learning, but to enhance it. Let's be honest. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. There are real concerns, privacy issues. AI collects your data. Bias. AI can make unfair decisions. Job loss. Automation replacing workers. Dependency. Humans relying too much on machines. And the biggest risk? Losing control over the technology we created. The future is not about humans versus AI. It's about humans with AI. Those who learn AI will lead the future. Those who ignore it may struggle to keep up. AI will not replace humans. But humans using AI will replace those who don't. So here's the truth. AI is already part of your life, from the moment you wake up to the moment you sleep. It's guiding you, helping you, and sometimes influencing you. The question is no longer, what is AI doing? The question is, what are you doing with AI? Because in the end, AI is just a tool. But the future? That still belongs to you.